the third placer. The third placer will receive 20,000 worth of SM gift certificates. And the third place, with an average score of 84.83%. Our third placer for the college division Super Moves Cheer Dance Competition goes to... Tama ka! Cavite State University, Rosario! Congratulations, Rosario. You may now join the rest of your team. So definitely, ito na, medyo crucial na to. Medyo mahirap-hirap na to kasi dahil nga tatlo lang kayo, definitely, kung sino yung... Oh, listen. Kung sino ang tatawagin ko, siya ang second placer. So yung hindi ko tatawagin, automatic siya ang first place. Tama po ba? Okay, so gawin na lang natin dahil nga mas maganda ang exposure para naman yung moment talaga is to the highest level, kasing taas ng ceiling, tawagin na lang natin yung first place, yung champion. So yung hindi ko po tatawagin, siya ay automatic the second place. Okay, so nagkakaliwanagan tayo. Kung sino ang hindi ko tatawagin, kung sino hindi ko bibigkasing school, siya po ang second place. At yung tatawagin ko, sa inyo na at tumakbo ka na para kunin ang 50,000 worth of GC. Okay? So ito na. Ayun pala, yung back check, tawag dyan ng back check. Ayan, yung back check muna ang matatanggap nyo. So ito yun, yung malaking check eh. Okay, Mac check. Ayan. Thank you for the idea. Yung panatawag doon sa malaking check. Ayan. Mac check. O, dagdag sa knowledge natin yan, ha? Okay, salamat talaga sa SM. Natututo ako. Okay. So, ito na. Sasabihin ko ang average ng second place. Siya ay 85.33. At ang ating first place, with an average score of 92.5%. Taas, diba? Our Super Moves Cheer Dance Competition College Division first placer or the champion goes to... Sino? Our first placer goes to... Maraming salamat po sa sponsors namin na Greenwich, SM Dasma, SM Rosario pala. Thank you so much. Ito na! Our first placer for the Super Moves Cheer Dance Competition goes to... You made it! University of Congratulations to Yuba. And thank you also and congratulations to University of Molino. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng nanood ng Super Moves Cheer Dance Competition Year 2. Magkita-kita po tayo next year. Maraming pong salamat and I'm your host. I'm Paolo Aguilar of Runway Cavite. Para sa Reverse Productions, visit our website at www.runwaycavite.webs.com. Maraming salamat. See you all next year. Have a nice day to everyone. God bless you all.